go. Now let's see if we can get her going today. See if everything works. Sometimes you do stuff that works, sometimes it doesn't. Okay, we got a real disaster going here. Got trouble with the baler, got trouble with the tractor. Way late on the baler. I got a mess all around that stuff. It's just about worthless. That bunch needs to be cut. PTO killed me on that. PTO runs through the day. I'll go ahead and cut that this evening. Meanwhile, we're trying to get the baler done. That's a pretty lousy day. Today it's got a little bit of humidity on it, so it's got to run. That stuff was about 6 foot tall, 8 foot tall when it's cut. She ain't one to bail. Well, we'll see what happens today. She started. That's the best she's done. We're running. There we go. Okay, running good, good tight bail. Okay, here's the modifications. On that lower roller, I've added extra crossbars, and on the starter roll, rubber thing right there, I've ground that rubber off of there and added positive traction bars on it. That and the combination of it being somewhat humid today and a little bit of dew, it looks like we might be in business. Now we'll run a few more and see how it goes.